This video shows how to clear a clog in the AMS internal hub unit on the first generation AMS. Before starting, turn off the printer. Do not continue until the printer is fully powered off. You will need tweezers, an air blower, H2.0 and H1.5 screwdrivers, and a small brush for cleaning. This guide covers two situations. Scenario 1, the filament is broken inside the AMS PTFE tube and can be cleared without disassembling the internal hub unit. Scenario 2, the filament is stuck inside the AMS internal hub unit and full disassembly is required. First, press the button on the rear of the AMS. Then pull out the PTFE tube. Use an H2.0 screwdriver to remove the two fixing screws. Lift the AMS mainframe upward from the rear. There are cables connected at the back, so lift the frame carefully and do not use excessive force. Remove the magnetic ring from the clip. Then flip over the AMS mainframe. Check whether any filament is broken inside the PTFE tubes. Then press the black pneumatic connector, then pull out the PTFE tube. Remove any filament broken inside the internal hub unit. If the filament is difficult to pull out, press the tension button on the internal hub unit to help release it. After removing the broken filament, use another piece of filament to check whether the internal hub unit is clear. Check all 4 channels to confirm there is no remaining clog. After confirming there is no clog, reinsert the PTFE tube. If the filament is still stuck inside the internal hub unit, continue with Scenario 2, and full disassembly is required. Pull out the 4 PTFE tubes from the internal hub unit. Remove the 4 fixing screws from the internal hub unit. Next, unplug the 3 cable connectors from the internal hub unit. Then proceed to take out the internal hub unit from the AMS. Next, remove the 4 screws. Then, take out the protective cover and the drive wheel. Use tweezers and a brush to clean out any filament debris. Next, remove the 6 screws on the back. Pull out the pneumatic connector button. Use tweezers to open the clip. Then separate the upper and lower housings. Take out the 5 pneumatic connectors. Use tweezers and a brush to clean out any remaining filament debris. Be sure to check whether the magnet springs back after being pressed. After cleaning, install the 5 pneumatic connectors back into place. Next, reassemble the upper and lower housings of the internal hub unit. Then proceed to tighten the 6 fixing screws. Reinstall the internal hub unit drive wheel and protective cover. Then, tighten the 4 fixing screws on the protective cover. Then proceed to reinstall the pneumatic connector button. Then place the internal hub unit back onto the AMS mainframe. Next, tighten the 4 fixing screws. Connect the 4 PTFE tubes. After connecting each PTFE tube, gently pull it back to make sure it is secure. Insert the 3 cable connectors from the internal hub unit into the corresponding ports on the main board. Organize the cables and snap them into the cable management channel. Then proceed to flip the frame upward. Next, insert the magnetic ring into the clip. Then install the main frame back into the AMS housing. Finally, retighten the 2 fixing screws. Before powering on, check that all PTFE tubes are fully inserted, all cable connectors are secure, and the AMS mainframe is locked in place. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.